emergency for the following counties or areas. Florida at 3:43 p.m. on March 12, 2021, effective until 5:43 p.m. A Florida Amber Alert has been issued for Daphne Westbrook, a white female, 17 years old, 5 feet 3 inches tall, 110 pounds, brown hair and brown eyes. The child may be in the company of John Westbrook, a white male, 6 feet 4 inches tall, 200 pounds, brown hair and blue eyes. They may be traveling in a 1971 orange Volkswagen Beetle. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation at 1-800-824-3463 or 911 #Florida Amber.